zeal for mission. Dispelling our darkness of the world, burning like the seraphim of God.
Hold His hands in prayer, walk to through
Brokenness of your life forever. As a little star of the heaven,
a little star of the heaven, shining over our mission, spreading rays steady of hope in every heart.
Father Mernier, a holy man of God, glows with zeal for mission.